Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever sent a message to someone on Facebook Messenger and wondered if they have blocked you? It can be frustrating not knowing if the person has blocked you or if they are just not responding. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to know if someone has blocked you on Facebook Messenger. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to the wanted chat next. Go to the chat with the person you suspect has blocked you. Step 3. Send the person a message. Send the person a message and wait for a while. Step 4. Check the sent icon. After a while, check the sent icon to see if the message was delivered. If the message was delivered, it will show a hollow circle with a check mark inside. Step 5. Check the icon again. If the person received and opened the message, the checkmark icon you saw earlier will change to a different icon. However, if the icon hasn't changed, and you know the person has been on Facebook or Messenger, they've probably blocked you. That's it. Knowing if someone has blocked you on Facebook Messenger can be a little tricky, but by following these easy steps, you can get a pretty good idea. Remember, if the person never received or opened the message, the original sent icon with a hollow circle and a checkmark inside will still be there. If you suspect someone has blocked you, you can try sending them a message from a different account to confirm your suspicions. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.